Our summer class has been started now. Tell me something about your school, about your parents.
My parents, my father name is Sandeep Kumar Badwai. He will do job
He is
in.
doing job.
He is doing job in SBI.
Hmm.
He is a very great man.
Hmm.
My mother name is Divya Sandeep Kumar Badwai.
Say me something about your school and school friends.
Yes, my school name is DAV Public School. My friends are very good in my school.
Okay,
My,
we can see that means you can speak well English. Now it's up to you. Tell me something about your friends.
My friend's name is Manthan,
Hmm.
and he will good in study,
Hmm.
and he will play in kabaddi,
Hmm.
and
Okay, you can also manage to play well English by the time. Okay, I want you to say something about your family.
My school name is Shulganga Public School. My school principal name is Pushpa Rani ma'am.
Hmm.
My class teacher name.
Okay, tomorrow we will have another videos of you.
Yes.
Say me something about your 10th preparation and study. What you think about it?
I decided to
What
for
your
the
thought?
10th preparation.
Hmm.
In summer vacation is the best time of the 10th preparation because that time is a full of free time.
Hmm.
That's why the summer time I decided to come Kapil sir and do the preparations of 10th standard, and sir is taking my revision of 10th standard in
Those subject might be
like science, maths, all the subjects are like
taught by.
taught by Kapil sir.
Okay, and what do you think about this morning class?
This morning class is a very beautiful class because after a very good time,
This
I
misty, cool air.
cool air as like that.
Hmm.
That's why I feeling very joyful in this park,
Hmm.
and some cute children are in our surrounding.
Yes, these are those some cute children. Hey, tell me something about yourself ना. ओके, एक ती पोएम म्हणणार आहे मला छान वाटली ना प्लीज ना ती पोएम म्हण ना. हां घे छान. बघा तुझ्या मम्मीला पाठवेल मी हे.
असे कसे रात्रीचे चांदणे दिसे, असे कसे मोराला सुंदर दिसे, असे कसे पाण्यात मासे, असे कसे
तुला नाही येत का ग?
साठे कुणी नसे.
छान बोलला रे, छान छान. असाच अभ्यास करायचा आहे हसत खेळत. तू एका जागी बसत नाही का रे, नुसतं फिरत फिरत राहते. हां हां, आता मग उद्या आपल्याला इंग्रजी शिकायचं. यांनी कसं इंग्रजी बोलले ना, असं इंग्रजी बोलशील का तू? का रे, तुला शिकायचं नाही का यांच्यासारखं इंग्रजी? शिकायचं आहे की नाही शिकायचं? शिकशील ना? हां, हळूहळू मग इंग्रजीची पण पोएम म्हणून दाखवशील आम्हाला, हो ना? तू पण म्हणून दाखवशील का गं, हो की नाही? हो ना? तुझ्या दादासारखे करून दाखवायचे मग आम्हाला. बाय, टाटा. आंबा खाण्यामध्ये मग्न.